Imagine this, you just landed your dream job interview at a top tech company. The interviewer leans in and asks, if you had to choose one, Python or JavaScript, which would it be? You freeze, your mind races. Python is powerful, but JavaScript is everywhere. What do you say? Relax. By the end of this video, you will have a clear answer, and more importantly, you will know which language is best for you. Let's settle this once and for all. Let's start with a reality check. Both Python and JavaScript are massively popular. Python is the go-to language for AI, machine learning, and data science. JavaScript is the backbone of the web development. But which has more jobs? Well, here is the fun part. JavaScript dominates web development. Every website you visit runs on JavaScript. So if your dream is to become a web developer, JavaScript is a no-brainer. On the other hand, Python is exploding in demand because of AI, automation, and backend development. If you want to work with data, build intelligent systems, or automate boring tasks, Python has no rivals. Bottom line, both have insane job opportunities. It all depends on where you see yourself in the future. Let's be honest, nobody wants to struggle for months learning a new language. Between Python and JavaScript, Python is hands down easier. Why? Because Python's syntax is simple and readable, almost like writing in plain English. Look at this, super clean, right? Now here is JavaScript. Not too bad, but things get messier when you go deeper into JavaScript quirks like callbacks, closures, and the infamous this keyword. So if you are a total beginner, Python is simple, welcoming, and easy to get started with. Let's say you're building a rocket and your code needs to run fast. Which language do you choose? Here is the truth. JavaScript is faster than Python. Why? Because JavaScript runs in the browser and is optimized for a speed. Python, on the other hand, it is not as fast as JavaScript in real-time applications. So if you are working on a web app, game, or anything needing real-time performance, JavaScript has the edge. But if speed is not a big concern, like in data science or automation, Python's ease of use makes up for it. Picture this, you wake up one day and decide to build the next Facebook. What do you choose, Python or JavaScript? JavaScript is the king of web. It runs on the front end, React, Vue, Angular, and the back end, Node.js. That means you can build an entire web app using only JavaScript. What about Python? Well, Python is mostly used for the backend with frameworks like Django and Flask. But for the front end, you will still need JavaScript. So if web development is your goal, JavaScript is the winner here. But if you want a powerful backend with clean code, Python is a solid option too. What if you want to teach computers how to think? This is where Python completely dominates. Machine learning, AI, and data science all rely on Python because of its powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. JavaScript has some AI libraries, but they are not as mature as Python's. So if you dream of working on self-driving cars, chatbots, or AI-powered applications, Python is the clear winner. Here is the fun question. If Python and JavaScript were superheroes, what would they be? Python would be Iron Man, versatile, intelligent, and capable of doing a lot. AI, automation, data science, backend development. JavaScript would be Spider-Man, fast, agile, and always present in the web world. JavaScript is best for web and mobile apps, while Python is better for AI, automation, and up to some extent of backend development. Imagine getting stuck on a coding problem at 11 p.m. Where do you turn? Good news, both Python and JavaScript has huge communities. Stack Overflow is flooded with solutions for both languages. Python has a beginner-friendly community. JavaScript has a massive developer base because of its dominance in web development. So no matter which one you choose, you'll never be alone. Ever wanted to automate boring tasks? This is Python's secret weapon. With Python, you can automate Excel reports, grab websites for data, rename hundreds of files in seconds, write scripts to control your computer. What about JavaScript? Well, not so much. While it can do some automation in the browser, it's not built for general purpose automation like Python. If you love the idea of writing scripts to save time, Python is a must learn. Okay, let's talk money. On average, both Python and JavaScript developers make great salaries. Python developers, especially in AI and data science, can earn over $100,000 a year. JavaScript developers working on web and mobile apps also have high salaries, often in the range of $80,000 to $120,000 range. Which one pays more? It depends on the job. AI and data science jobs tend to have higher pay, while web development jobs are more abundant. So if your goal is big money, Python has the edge in AI, but JavaScript has more job opportunities overall. All right, we have covered everything. But let's answer this big question. Which ones should you choose? It depends on what you want to do. If you want to build websites and mobile apps, JavaScript is the best choice. If you are interested in AI, automation, or data science, Python is unbeatable. If you are looking for the easiest language to start with, Python is simpler. If you want to work as a full stack developer, JavaScript is great. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either language, but if you are still unsure, here is the challenge for you. Try both, write a simple program in Python and another in JavaScript. See which one feels more natural to you. Here is something to remember. It's not about which language is better, it's about what you can do with it. So pick a language, start coding, and build something awesome. Now tell me in the comments which one are you learning first, Python or JavaScript? Let's chat below. And don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials.